Hey.
Hey.
Say hi, Amber. Get a view of Anna's rear end.
Cute.
We're walking to McDonald's. Yeah.
Oh my God! Remember when it was me, you, Callie, Jordan, and Harry, and
Really
those old men were staring at us back there? God, that was creepy. Cause like we were making noise, and those old men were staring at us.
It's still recording, so don't hang out. Hi.
B-I-T-C-H, that's me. Wait. W-H-O-R-E, we are the horse of fleet. W-H-O-R-E, W-A-K-I-T-T-Y, you're such a fun
H-E-L-L-O. K-I-T-T-Y, let me sit between your thighs.
Trying to keep my hair still.
Oh, I'm a kitty! Oh yeah, I used to have a cat tail.
If you would have found that, I could have worn that. I would have really been a cat. I was like,
Oh, it's still recording. Hey, Morgan.
hello. That dude was so checking you guys out. AKA Anna, AKA Amber, AKA Lauren, AKA Sarah, AKA me! Yeah! Are we walking that way or through the park?
This way.
Okay. Quack. Quackity, quickity, quack, quack, quack. Oh, bless. Oh, damn.
Bye.